Y'all ever have one of the mornings where it feel like everything is going wrong? You wake up, your back hurt, you're cranky for no reason, still thinking about a conversation you had a week ago, only to push yourself to go to the gym, finally get there, and the machine you want to use is broke. Well, that was me this morning, but I had to come home and just get myself together and recharge my body. So I decided to make myself a green smoothie. I know y'all probably wondering, what is in that smoothie? Well, here I am about to tell you, okay? Listen, first, we got your spirulina and chlorella. That's right, I'm talking about the ultimate superfood that's gonna get your mind and body right. And in case y'all was wondering what the color is, I'm about to tell you. It's green, yes. Okay, next we got silk almond milk. I'm a dairy-free kind of girly, so I prefer that. Then I have my vegan and protein powder by Just Move. And then next we have our blueberries, very fresh, very clean, very demure. And last but not least, I have my spinach. It is frozen, y'all. I know it's kind of ghetto, don't judge me, okay? Oh, one more thing, my frozen bananas. Because one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to freeze some fruit, okay? And there we have it, sipping my way to success.